Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Together, we are going to make today oats and coconut laddus. Laddus आपको भी पसंद हैं और मुझे भी. But what I've done over here is try to find a way so that I can eat more than one and not feel as guilty about it. The solution? Oats or coconut ke laddus. The first thing we're going to do is cook the oats. अब oats तो डाल दिया है. अब इसके अंदर we're going to put some coconut milk. That's where we're going to get all that lovely coconut flavor from. Okay, now let's mix it around a bit. And we are going to add a little more water to this. Coconut जितना डालना था डाल दिया. And I'm going to put in some raisins now. और इसके बाद some lovely aromatic इलायची का पाउडर. और इसके बाद दालचीनी का पाउडर और सिनेमन पाउडर. अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा मिक्स करेंगे. And then we'll put in some almonds. This needs a little more water, so मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा और पानी डालूंगा और इसको थोड़ा सा और कुक करेंगे. This smells really good. अब इसमें आमंड से पहले ना थोड़ा चीनी डाल देते हैं. After all, laddu supposed to be sweet, yes? अब हम इसको थोड़ी देर पकने देंगे. Okay, so now we need to cut these almonds into thin slivers. It is well done now. लेकिन एक बात और याद रखिएगा that the right consistency will come इसके ठंडे होने के बाद. इसलिए जब हल्का सा गीला है ना तो उसी समय आंच बंद करके उसको थोड़ा ठंडा होने दीजिए. Now my oats is cooked. It smells absolutely wonderful. और अब इसको कढ़ाई से निकालकर प्लेट में डालेंगे so that it can cool down a little bit. Cool होने के बाद step 2, make the laddus. Now I'm going to flatten this out slightly so that it cools a little faster. Time to roll the laddus. तो सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा desiccated या dried coconut powder हम इस प्लेट पे डालेंगे और इसके अंदर हम लड्डूस को रोल करेंगे after we have shaped them. And actually, you know what? I don't even think it needs to be perfect rounds. After all, these are handmade, aren't they? लगना भी तो चाहिए, हाथ से बनाया है. So there you go. We just made some lovely, delicious oats and coconut ke laddu. From a taste point of view, they're quite interesting because they've got that crunch coming from the almond. They've got sweetness. They've got a very different texture जो oats से आ रहा है, plus the little bits of chewiness coming in from the raisins. And from a health point of view, they're a little better than the normal ones. Because पहले तो they don't have as much ghee and fat as the traditional laddus use. Number 2, the kind of carbs that we're using in this are called slower carbs than we otherwise find in traditional laddus. And number 3, थोड़ा सा extra fiber है. Just go on ahead and have one more with me. आज की डेट में the amount we're focusing on our health we've never seen before. और उसी फोकस को फॉलो करते करते the amount of oats we're eating has never been seen before. So what we're going to do today is to cook oats ka kheer just as a little experiment to see how far we can go with oats among other dishes we're going to be trying. The first thing we'll do is pour some milk into our pan. And now it's time to put the oats into the milk. Remember not to put a lot of oats because otherwise it won't be kheer-like, it'll more be like a porridge. You also want to remember to keep stirring it because otherwise वो नीचे लग जाएगा, brown सा निकलेगा, फिर आप बोलोगे मेरा खीर जल गया. Next I'm going to put in 2 cloves. Right after that, a little bit of sauf ka powder. Sौंf has this not only this refreshing flavor and taste and aroma and all that, ये also चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा thicken कर देती है. Next, cardamom, इलायची जो हमने थोड़ी सी पीस रखी है, and then some cinnamon या दालचीनी का powder. This is also something that goes very nicely with sweets. It smells absolutely delicious. Acha, now we'll put some almonds into this. Next, we'll put some desiccated coconut or dried coconut powder. Remember, this is not the same as coconut milk powder. That's different. This is different. This is called desiccated coconut. And next, we have raisins. Kishmish to padni hi hai iske andar. We expect these things, na? Thoda sa almond, thodi si kishmish. But did you expect sugar and good? We're putting some good also inside. It gives a slightly different sweetness, and it adds a bit of extra iron also to your kheer. But don't eat it for the iron, eat it because the kheer is nice. Oh, it's beginning to smell good. Well, actually, it's beginning to smell even better. It was smelling good 5 minutes ago. इस रेसिपी में जितना स्वीट डालना था, I divided that into two parts. एक तो हमने गुड़ डाल दिया, and दूसरा I am using sulfur-free sugar का भूरा. And in case you're wondering, it's very easily available in the market. एक बार try कर लीजिए, पक्का से मिल जाएगा. And finally, that one ingredient that all of us in the world love, saffron. And I'm not about to waste a single drop of this stuff. Did you know each strand comes from a single flower? Imagine इसकी picking में कितनी मेहनत लगती होगी. No wonder it's so expensive, huh? Now one final stir to make sure कि नीचे कुछ चिपका नहीं है. And this kheer, ladies and gentlemen, is done. I'll just taste a bit. नमक कम है. So as you saw, that's my version of oats kheer. It is an interesting combination of both the South Indian influences as well as North Indian influences, or beech mein oats. So it's just another reason to have some more oats and to get some more health into your life. I hope you enjoyed that.